This video is about review for linear regression line. The marketing director of SeaWorld was concerned about the effectiveness of a recent advertising campaign. The director recorded the advertising cost and the number of tickets sold in the last 8 months. The data is shown in the table and sorted in ascending order by advertising cost. A. On the graph paper, draw a scatter plot to show the data in the table above. Use a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 3 units on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 0.2 units on the y-axis. After you set up this coordinate plane, check the data for advertising cost. Pay more attention to the units, thousands dollars. For x-axis, it will be C and $1,000. For y-axis, T, 1,000 tickets. Advertising cost is from 61 to 82. 2 centimeters to represent 3 units on the x-axis. We can start it from 60, not 0. From here to here, it's 1 centimeter. 2 centimeters represent 3 units. 63, 66, and so on. For y-axis, start from 1.2 to 2.4. Let's start from 0. 1 centimeter on y-axis represent 0.2 units, 0.2, 0.4, and so on. Then you need to work out one small box represent how many units on x-axis and on y-axis. For x-axis, 3 divided by 10 equals 0.3. For y-axis, 0.2 divided by 5 equals 0.04. Let's plot the points. 61, 1.2, 61. Each small box stands for 0.3. Since 0.3 times 3 equals 0.9. So from 60, 61 will be between the third box and the fourth box. 1.2. The point will be here. 82, from 81, move 3 boxes. This is the scatter diagram for the given data. B. Find the mean value of the advertising cost in thousands US dollars, C bar. C. Find the mean value of the number of tickets sold in thousands, T bar. D. Find the equation of a regression line, T on C. Interpret the meaning of the slope. For BCD, we need to use a calculator. Click on, then 1. No. Go to 4. Label the first column P. Enter. Q. Enter. Then we put in the data. After you put in all the data, go to Menu, 4. Stat calculations 1. 2. Two variable stats. Double-click this right arrow button. Choose P. Click this right arrow button again. Go to Q. Then enter. We are given X bar equals 74.6. For Y bar equals 1.93. Then move your cursor on an empty cell again. Go to Menu. 4. Stats. 1. Calculation. Go to 3 this time. Double-click this right arrow button. Choose P. For Y list, click on this right arrow button again. Choose Q. Enter. We got this slope 0.0518. Y-intercept -1.94. R equals 0.327. C bar equals 74.6. Units is $1,000. Say T bar equals 1.93. 1,000 tickets. D. Find the equation of the regression line. From the calculator, we know Y equals 0.0518x minus 1.94. This x equals c, y equals t. So t equals 0.0518 c minus 1.94. Interpret the meaning of this slope. Slope equals 0.0518 over 1. This equals delta t over delta c. We will use this kind of sentence to describe this slope. When c increases by 1 unit, 1 unit, which means $1,000, t will increase by 0.0518 thousand tickets, which is 0.0518 times 1,000 equals 51.8 tickets. When the slope is negative, you will change this increase into decrease. Let's go to E. Graph the regression line on the same graph paper. You have to show the mean point, which is 74.6, 1.93, and y-intercept. In this graph, y-intercept is t of 60 equals. We will use this regression equation to figure out y-intercept equals 1.17. So for the y-intercept, you need to find the point 61.17. Each small box on y-axis is 0.04. 0.04 you times 3 equals 0.12. 0.04 times 4 small boxes equals 0.16. From 1 we go up 4 units. label 61.17. For mean 74.6. 74.6, very close to 75. One box is 0.3. 75 minus 0.3 equals 74.7. Very close to this 74.6, which means we will move 1 unit from 75. Then 1.93, very close to 2.0. So from 1.8, go up 3 units. Do not forget label. Then connect these 2 points. This is the regression line. T equals 0.0518 C minus 1.94. Let's go to F. The marketing director decides to spend $70,000 on advertisement next month. Use the equation of the regression line found in D to estimate the number of tickets to the SeaWorld sold next month. Round your answer to the nearest 100. Pay more attention to these units. $70,000, which means C equals 70 instead of $70,000. Do the substitution. T of 70, this is a function notation. We will change this C into 70 equals 1.686. Remember, the units is 1,000, so we times 1,000 equals 1686. We need to round the answer into nearest 100. We will change these 2 digits into 00. Round up 1700 is the solution. G is answer to F reasonable. Justify your answer. Yes, it's reasonable because 70 is in the data range, or 70 is in the interpolation, because 70 is between 61 and 82. H, find the Pearson's correlation coefficient R and interpret it. R equals 0.927. There is a strong positive correlation between C and T. I, explain why it's not valid to use the regression equation in D to estimate the number of tickets to the SeaWorld sold next month with the advertising cost C equals 85. Check this C equals 85. You know the data range for this C is between 61 and 82. So 85 is extrapolation. You can say C equals 85 is out of data range. C equals 85 is extrapolation. Both answers are correct. J, explain why it would be inappropriate to use the regression equation found in part D to estimate the value of advertising cost. For this given regression equation, only estimate T, not C. because it's not valid to estimate C by regression equation T on C. Let's go to K. Find the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, rank, R sub S, for this data, then interpret the monotonic relationship between T and C. You have to make table for rank. Let's go back to the original table. Highest number is rank 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then check the rank with the same data. This 3 has the same data. We will take average. 6 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 3 equals 5. So 5, 5, 5 will be the rank. 2.4 is 1. 2.2, 2, 3. 2.0, 4, 5. 1.8, 6. 7, 8. Then check the ranks with the same data. 2.2, 2.2. Take average. 3 plus 2 over 2 equals 2.5. 2.5 for both. 5, 4 have the same data. 4 plus 5 over 2, take average, 4.5. 4.5, 4.5. This data into calculator. Let's add another page, Control Doc. 4. This time we will use M and N for the name of each column. Put the data in. After you put all the data in, cursor on an empty cell, go to Menu, 4, 1, go to 3, double click this right arrow button, M, go down, right arrow button, N, enter. We are looking for this R, 0.840. R sub S equals 0.840. Interpret the monotonic relationship between T and C. Strong, positive. That's it. Let's go to L. Estimate advertising cost when 2,100 tickets were sold. We cannot use this regression line in D. T equals 0.0518, C minus 1.94. We have to redo this regression line. This time, we will make this is X, this is Y. Let's go to calculator. Go back to this 1.1. We have all the data here. Go to Menu, 4, 1, 3, linear regression line. This time, X list is Q instead of P. Right arrow button. Go to Q. Enter. Right arrow button. Go to P. Then enter. OK. This time, we got Y equals 16.6 X plus 42.7. y equals 16.6x plus 42.7. This time, y is c, x is t. We will change this y into c. We got c equals 16.6t plus 42.7. We will use this regression line to estimate this c. 2100 tickets. Remember here t unit is 1,000. So t equals 2.1. C equals 16.6 times 2.1 plus 42.7 equals 77.6 will be the solution.